Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to import any of the Google Earth map 3D model into iClone 8 3D animation software. And I'm going to show you all this step by step. Let's go. Alright, the first step, you can just go to my video description and download the software. Just scroll down and just go and download it first. Alright, once you already download it, then just extract it into your computer and just double click, open the software, this one. Alright, then from here you can just select any of the area that you want to capture. Just for example, I may just go to the French Paris to just capture the Eiffel Tower. Okay, it is somewhere here. I'm going to just use the Eiffel Tower as the example. Just use the right click to select it in this way. Once you already select it, then the LOD here, you choose the biggest one, then click download. Wait, cancel it. Before you download, you need to select the output folder. I'm going to just select from my desktop. Just create a new folder here. Name this as Eiffel Tower. Then I select this folder, then I click download. It is going to download it into that folder. So here just need to wait for a few seconds until it finish. Waiting for this. Alright, it almost finished. Done. Now you can see it finished. Then next, just go to see. It is under the model library. The next step, you need to just open the Blender. For today's latest version is Blender 5.0. We are going to just import it into Blender first in GLTF format. Alright, so here, just click the empty area and just press A and just press delete to delete everything. Then just click File, Import GLTF from the desktop, the Eiffel Tower model library. Just click the first one, scroll down to the bottom, hold the shift, click the last one. It is going to select everything. Then next, just click Import GLTF. And here you need to just wait for a few seconds. It is going to show not responding for most of the time. Then after a few seconds, it will be ready. Now you just need to wait. Maybe sometimes you need to wait about 1 minute to 2 minutes. It will show not responding. Then the bigger the map you downloaded, then the longer you have to wait. Right, now you can see it done. It already finished, imported. Okay, so for all of this, you can see the Eiffel Tower is already inside the Blender. If you turn on the material texture, you may see that there's no texture yet. To import the texture, you need to just go to click File, External Data, find the missing files. From the desktop, the Eiffel Tower model library under the texture folder. You click Find Missing File, it will automatically just fix off the material texture. Just need to wait for a few seconds, it will fix automatically. Now it's done, you can see it already done. The Eiffel Tower already in Blender. So from the Blender, you need to export as FBX. But before that, you just need to click File, External Data, just automatically pack the resources. Right now, you can just export it as FBX. Click File, Export FBX. On the desktop, the path mode here, you just need to choose Copy and highlight this. This is to make sure all of the material texture will automatically embedded inside the FBX file exported. So here, the desktop, I'm going to, on the desktop, name the file name as Eiffel Tower. Alright, then I click Export FBX. Just need to wait for about 2 seconds. The Eiffel Tower FBX is already here. Next, we can import it into iClone. So you can see all of this. There are so many structures here. Okay, so now I'm going to open the iClone. This is the iClone 8. Just drag and drop the Eiffel Tower into iClone. Then click Convert All. It is importing the FBX. Now it contains about 1,700 meshes. Do you like to break up the meshes into subprops? Here you can just choose no. We just want to have one single prop and then just make it bigger. We are going to check the size. Right, the Eiffel Tower is already here. How big is this? So big. Right, since it is so big, we are going to just make it smaller. Click lock the scale. The scale, just put 1 and just press enter and just press F again. We just want to make it small in this way. And then after that, just press R. You can just make it bigger as you want. That's all. And of course, for now, you may just scroll down. We are going to set the pivot at the bottom. Then, after that, scroll up again. We are going to just move it back to the 0. Then it will be at the center of the origin. Now this is the Eiffel Tower at the center of the origin. Now it is really easy, really awesome. For this time, the resolution is quite high. This is really the Eiffel Tower's 3D model. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to import the Google Map 3D into iClone 8 3D animation software. Import the Google Earth 3D map into iClone 8. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my videos, tutorials and sharings, if you feel all these tutorials and sharings are very helpful to your 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations and 3D game developing. See you.